Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to log into Temu account. So guys, the first thing of course that you need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Temu application. If guys you do not know how to do this, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Temu videos where you can see how you can do this. Of course, the second thing guys that you need to do is go and create your profile. You can do it by going to the register video, which we also have on YouTube if you do not know how to do it alone, or you can of course do it alone. Now guys that we got that thing out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the home screen of the Temu application where we have a lot of things going on. We have the categories, where you have categories for shopping category, home kitchen, men and women clothing and everything. And we have you, where you can see everything about you. So you can see the messages, your orders, your reviews, coupons and offers, credit balance, addresses, customer service, support and settings. And also we have the cart where all of your things will be stored at once. Now guys, when they got that out of the way, we have in the bottom right corner, as you can see, we have the sign in button, where you just need to go and tap on the sign in button. And here you will have your email and you need to type it, then type your password of the profile, click sign in, and voila, you're signed in into your Temu account guys. So guys, that is basically everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I hope that you enjoyed the video and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.